Okay, welcome when to talk to teachers. This is a short summary of tardy procedures for this year. There's a much longer video, not much longer, it's like 6 to 7 minutes, um, that explains things a little bit more in depth for you as far as our tardy procedures go for this year. A couple quick things. There will be no tardy sweeps this year due to some COVID restrictions that we have as far as social distancing and gathering that we have to follow. You're going to mark tardies in Power School every block, first, second, third, and fourth block that you have a kid. Be sure to verbally notify students at the appropriate time. So we want to make sure that we tell kids that they're going to be marked tardy. We wouldn't want anybody to get marked tardy and they don't know it. So just make sure you have that conversation at the appropriate time. I don't think it needs to be anything that is big to do in front of their peers, but just at the right time, I want to make sure that they know that they're notified that they have been marked tardy. Probably the most important part of this piece is the conversations that you have with students who are chronically tardy to your class. So once you start to notice students who are tardy on a regular basis to your class, we want to make sure you have those conversations with them so that they understand what the impact of them being tardy is, and maybe figure out the why of their being tardy, what solutions there might be for the kids, and then what impact it also has on the class and their learning. And this concept we want them to understand of timeliness, making sure that we are to our spots in a timely manner. You don't need to create any referrals. Administrators will be pulling reports weekly from Power School that will give us the information we need as far as which kids are at what thresholds within their tardy count. So we just want to make sure that you don't, you know, you don't need to do anything as far as creating referrals. You just need to mark it in Power School for us so that we can handle the situations. And then again, administrators will be having conversations with their students about tardy and timeliness and what the impact is and all those parts of the conversation we have to try to curve behavior in the direction that we want it to go. Thank you. And again, there's a longer video that goes along it has a little more in-depth about these procedures.